Hey guys, Valerie King here, CEO of VK Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty. Today, in our tips for surviving and thriving through our COVID-19 pandemic, I wanted to talk to you guys about a question that I keep getting from some of our clients about their mortgage payments, and what to do. I know some of you guys have either been laid off or been sent home on reduced pay and having a reduced income and wondering what to do about your mortgage payments that we need to make, right? And just understanding that there are several different options that you may have. With the CARES Act, there are provisions in there that are encouraging mortgage providers, mortgage lenders to give some relief to clients, to customers. So what I would tell you is to call your mortgage company. Now, just understand that there are multiple options and that the way that the banks are giving support and relief is different. There's forbearance, and there's deferment, and there may be some refinancing options as well. So, what option works best for you? Now, understanding that a forbearance may give you some relief today. They may tell you don't have to make any payments for 3 months or make reduced payments for 3 months. But then they may ask you to pay the total amount due for those 3 months at the end of the forbearance period. So be really careful with not having to owe 3 months of mortgage payments plus your current mortgage payment at the end of all this, right? So you may have 3 months of payments saved up that you can do later once you know that you're back at work and you're good, and that option may work for you right now if you want to be able to hold on to cash today. Some people won't, and some people don't. So if you're not asking what their options are for the back end on the repayment, some are being allowed to defer payments and put it on the back end of the loan, right? And payments and interest on the back end of the loan. So you're going to want to talk to your bank, and it depends on whether or not they own the mortgage or if they're just servicing it. If they own the note. So you're going to want to talk to your bank about how they're taking repayments and how they're allowing for you to repay once you're whole again. And understanding that this may be some time before you are whole. So 3 months may be a temporary solution, but what happens after the 3 months? So that's why I say refinancing may be another option. And for some of you that your credit's still good, depending on when you got your mortgage, if it was just a couple of years ago, rates had dropped, and so if you've kept up with your credit and you think that refinancing may be an option, feel free to reach out to the lender that you use, and if you want a referral for another lender, I'm happy to give you another referral, and just check out what the rates are going on, and what your payment options might be, because that may be a way to reduce your payments. And another option may be to look at, again, I've mentioned this before, look at your insurance. I just got a quote from my insurance company, and I was blown away with the difference in terms of the payments from what I'm paying. And I preach this all the time, right? So check out your insurance. Make sure you're getting, you've got the best insurance rate that you can. And make sure that, so at the very least, if you're not refinancing, not deferring payments, not doing forbearance program with your bank, checking out your insurance payments and making sure that your mortgage is as low as it can be will make a huge difference for you. So I hope that helps, guys. If you have questions, please reach out to me. Any specific questions, you have my number, 203-449-9846. I'd love to hear from you guys. Take care.